Welcome to Solo Start. Generate your mining configuration with no account or sign-up required. Your wallet address is your only identity. For mining, we've selected BTC. These 5 SHA-256 chains are compatible, and your config updates live as you choose. The globe shows 9 stratum regions. Solo Start detects your nearest node by latency. Below, the comparison table ranks locations like Frankfurt and London by speed. Now for the configuration. I'll enter our example Bitcoin address. Remember, your wallet address is your account. Block rewards are paid via Network Coinbase directly to you. The pool is non-custodial and never holds your funds. The worker name is an optional label for your machines. Selecting a hardware model like the Antminer S21 Plus 235TH is useful because it pre-fills the recommended difficulty settings optimized for that specific device. I'll click to enable TLS encryption. This encrypts the connection between your miner and the pool, and it is the highly recommended secure option for any firmware that supports it. Step 4 is ready. Your stratum URL, port, and username are generated. Solo mining is probabilistic, with rare wins but full block rewards. EIF ready? Head to solofury.com/start to generate your own configuration. All links are in the description.